Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey y'all, Casey, do you want to say hi?
Thank you.
Say hi. So y'all, I have a little surprise for y'all today. Well, hell, it's really a surprise to myself today. But something came in the mail, and don't judge my nails. I'm so happy that it came in the mail today. So yeah, Casey wants to be more in the camera. Come here. Come on. Say hey. Hi. So today we are going to be unboxing.
Hey, that's not a recipe steak fries?
Yeah. So today we're gonna be unboxing something that came in the mail, and you guys are gonna help me unbox it. Sorry if the lighting in here is a little messed up, a little dark and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go get it. It's in the hallway. We're gonna unbox it in the living room because Casey has some of his toys out on the floor, so I might as well just unbox it in here. Right, KK?
I'm not picking it up.
Okay, you gotta get down, okay? So I can get it. I need to probably turn the TV down just so that we don't get copyrighted. I don't know if I'm gonna get copyrighted for a commercial and stuff, but Charmin clean. Come on, Casey. How are you guys today? Have you guys had a great day? How was your day today? How is your week going so far? I hope that your week is going amazing. That, you know, everything that you want to do is being done. Hope that you are blessed in every way. So, here's the box. The box came in the mail today from Amazon. We love Amazon, first of all. So, I'm going to just slide the box in the room because, watch out, buddy. Because, ouch, I hurt my foot. I'm trying to think why I should do that with enough light. I might go by the TV and just turn the TV down, but I feel like Casey's gonna be irked because I turned the TV down. So don't mind me, y'all. It's the end of the night. I look crazy. But no, I don't need your help. Will you break it? Look, he's trying to help so bad. Oh, you're gonna break it. Thanks for helping, baby. You did a good job. I'm gonna
try it on.
watch this box thing.
Pirate gear did Ryder give to Rubble? An eye patch or a pirate hat?
Woohoo! Alright, turn it
It
around.
was a pirate hat.
Can you guys see? I know it's a little dark, my bad. I should probably turn the TV down because
Twisting Dream.
I want to get
Check out
copyrighted.
this scene featuring everyone's favorite chicken.
Hey, so why don't you go over there so that you can see the TV? Yeah, TV. Alright,
Do you remember what snack Mayor
So, y'all,
gave to Chickaletta?
let me turn the TV down.
If you said
Because
corn, you're a memory
it's too loud.
master. For question 4, let's head to Farmer Al's. Which pup was dressed in a sheep costume? Yeah, it was Marshall.
Okay, I turned it down just a tad bit. So, y'all, I ordered, Casey is helping. I ordered me a ring light from Amazon. So basically that's what we're going to be unboxing today. It's this ring light. Oh my god. Look how big it is. Show you this way? Okay, you guys see. So it's a box in a box. Oh my god, it's heavy. Casey's probably going to go use this box to go jump in. So I'm going to slide that over there. Ooh. Look at it, y'all. Hey, ring light. I have a surprise later for what this is for, but yeah. So I ordered me a ring light. This is the Neewer ring light. I believe that's the one I ordered. Let's see. Oh, okay. Thanks, Tiffany, for helping with my shoe. Okay, another box inside a box. Oh, sorry, was that on your foot? Okay, so we got one box right here.
Let me try the remote. Okay, dog, walk.
Ooh.
My phone and the probably called me before in the truck.
Oh no.
I didn't ask you though.
Yo, this bag is freaking huge. And I was looking it up online and looking on Amazon, and I found out that it came with a bag. I wasn't even thinking it was gonna be this big. Like, holy crap. This is huge. So this is the Neewer ring light baggie. This is the bag. Pretty sure everything is inside here. So I'm gonna put that aside. And then we have this box right here. If I can open it, I hate these little things because I got my nails long as heck and they're already breaking. So I need to go get them done. Let me know if you guys want to see a day of my life video. And like me going to the nail salon or whatever. Okay. So in here I have the little stand. This is the stand. And then I have the screw, I guess. A big screw. And then I have another part. So I guess I'll find all that out what that's for in a minute. I'm gonna just put it to the side. Put my shoes over there. Sorry, y'all can see my ugly feet. So it has like the little two handles and then it has like the bigger handle. Dang, yo. Hey, that means you can't mess with this. Okay, there's another box inside a bag. Are you guys ready? I'm excited. OM freaking G. Oh my god. Dang, dog. I got a pretty big ass head. Look at. Oh my freaking god.
Damn, an elephant hit through there.
I know, right?
Oh shit, came with the case too?
Yeah. Oh my freaking god. Okay, I'm gonna put that on the wall because Casey's gonna try to mess with it. What else came in here? This bag is huge, y'all. So I got a compartment here. I guess like to keep it like safe or whatever. I'm just gonna keep that in there. I don't want that to break. And a divider. It got a divider in here. It has another side. I'm trying to see if there's anything else at the bottom. I don't think that it is. Okay, it's not. Cool. Alright. No, baby. Leave it. He likes to play with my ring lights. I can always find him in the other one that I have. I do have one.
You want these?
No.
Sure?
No. Yeah, because I got the bag. Thanks. Oh my god, I got all this stuff in it. Do you need a thingy? Oh, okay. I'm filming. And then once you think I was talking to myself.
No, I ain't mad at you.
Okay, so we got in this box that comes inside the bag. We have the you can contact us thingy. Package list. Excuse me. We have the charger cord, the adapter. I got it. Thanks, boo. The part that goes into the wall, this part goes together. The instructions, how to set it up. We'll put that to the side too. This part that's for putting your phone on if you want to film with your phone. You can put that on there. Get down, boo. We have the plates. These are the white plates, the white ones. And here are the orange ones. So if you want more like a, excuse me, you can take the box. You can do more of a, what is that called? More of like an orangey, like warm look kind of videos, which I'm not opposed to. Okay. So we're gonna put those aside. This should be pretty easy. This should not be hard at all. So, okay. Just make sure I got all the things that come in here. I should have a little thing. I'm missing something.
What you missing?
My little remote. Where my...
Yep. Is it in there? Right over here.
Y'all, it's supposed to come with a little remote. So I can take photos. So I'm supposed to have like a little remote. I don't know if you can see, but it's supposed to be like a little pink remote right there that comes with it, but I don't see it. So I'm gonna have to talk to him about that. I'm pretty sure I have one around the house, but whatever. All right, so now we're just gonna assemble the stand. So I know that you do this. Okay. Okay. Is it locked? Ah, don't touch. So is it locked? Okay, is it locked? Okay. Oh, I guess you can
How
like...
tall that shit go? I see what? 1, 2, 3 extensions?
Yeah, so I'm about to find out. I'm about to find out.
Hey guys, have you seen Robocop?
You can say that.
I don't want to break it.
What's today? Wednesday? Tuesday?
So then, obviously you would
Ready, Rocky?
just loosen these to where you want them to go. I'm trying to see if I can put you at a better angle. Get your fingers out your mouth. Dang, this goes high, y'all. Holy crap. Look how tall this goes. Oh my God. That's so tall. Okay, so stop with your fingers. This is tall as heck, and it's perfect for what I need it for. I probably won't never put it this high, but now you guys see like how tall it is. This is tall as heck. Okay, y'all, I have it set up. I'm gonna turn it on. You can see how bright this is. But anyway, I have this set up. I have the plates here. I put on the white ones, or the clear ones, what I'll call it. Then it's this little thing right here for your phone. You can turn it, stand your phone up this way, or, hold on, you can have it, is it this way? I guess this way. I guess it could be like that too. I guess, but most people probably will put it, or I think you can, and then I think you can move like this part too. Stop casing. This part, I believe you can move too, but I'm just gonna put this back on. So you got that little part, and then you have the cord. Those are the cords. In the back, you have to connect them together. I don't know if you can see that. And then back here. So we're just gonna turn it on to see how bright it is. God dang! No one can see over there. So that's how bright it is. This is bomb. Turn it this way. Yo. Hey. Oh, I'm running my. This is my. What? Oh my God. So bright. This is on the highest setting. Sorry, y'all. If I'm not looking in the camera, this crap is bright. I'm gonna turn it down. So this is one of the dimmers right here. This is the first to off. So one. I guess one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh my God, it gets brighter. So that's how bright that gets.
Huh?
That's how bright it gets.
Huh?
How bright it gets.
You think?
This is amazing. I literally love this. This is so cute. And if you guys heard me before or earlier, during the video, I said that it was supposed to be a little remote that comes with it. It did come with it, because I was about to chew them up. It came inside the little clamps, the little filters. It's right here. It has the little pink remote. This is what the remote looks like. It has on there camera, iOS or Android, and I'm pretty sure this is Bluetooth, so you just pair it to your phone. Yeah, pair it to your phone and then shutter it, so if you want to be taking photos by yourself, you don't need nobody to take your pictures. You can do it yourself. So yeah, that is it. I'm going to turn this down a little bit just because, hold on, right there, because we don't need it all that high. But this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it better, but here's what it looks like. The plug is right here. Here it goes, right here. It actually was pretty easy to set up. It was nothing wrong with it, really. It was actually pretty good to set up. It's pretty easy. Of course, the baby ended up ripping the instructions to it, but whatever, I kind of figured it out. It really wasn't that hard, like I said before. And you worried about it being so big because it's huge and it goes basically up to my ceiling. You're worried about that. Boom. It comes in a bag. So that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoy me unboxing my new ring light. I'm so excited to be using this. Hopefully better lighting quality videos for this. I have a ring light now. I'd had one before. I'm actually going to show you that real quick. I have one. It's right here. It says it's Chandel's Life. So it came in a little bag. My mom brought it for me. And this is what the little guy looks like. It's really small. I'm still going to use this. I still will use it if it can focus. I'm still going to use this because I feel like this would be perfect for like sit down videos in a small nick of time. So, and it has like a little stand in here as well. So I'm still going to use this ring light. Just because I got the bigger one doesn't mean nothing. So I hope that you guys like this video. Thank you for unboxing this with me. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Join our family. Comment down below if you have this ring light, if you like this ring light. Some pros, some cons about it. I'm gonna make another video about it, actually filming and stuff like that. So be out on the lookout for that. Hope you guys enjoy. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.